Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Redmi Watch 5 Lite and Redmi Watch 5 Active. The Redmi Watch 5 Lite and Redmi Watch 5 Active share similar fitness tracking features, but the Active version stands out with added sports modes and enhanced water resistance. The Redmi Watch 5 Lite is an affordable entry-level smartwatch packed with essential features for fitness tracking in daily use. It sports a 1.95-inch AMOLED display with 600 nits of brightness, providing clear visuals even in bright conditions. Its 470 mAh battery lasts up to 10 days under typical usage, with reduced time if GPS is used extensively. The device is water resistant up to 5 ATM, making it suitable for swimming and water sports. At an affordable price point, it provides excellent value for users seeking basic smartwatch functionality without premium features. The Redmi Watch 5 Active has garnered positive reviews for its value and features, particularly in the budget smartwatch segment. It boasts a 2-inch LCD with a resolution of 320 by 385 pixels, which offers good brightness and visibility outdoors. The watch supports 140 plus sports modes and includes health tracking features such as heart rate, monitoring, and blood oxygen levels, although it lacks a dedicated swim mode. With a 470 mAh battery, it promises up to 18 days of usage, though real-world use averages around 10 days. The HyperOS interface is user-friendly and includes Alexa support for basic tasks, but has limitations in controlling media. In my opinion, the Redmi Watch 5 Active is typically a better option for fitness enthusiasts, offering more robust health tracking features, improved durability, and better water resistance. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.